Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. This one is for July of 2024, our original Stamp Club. Now, I'm in love with this stamp set and I'm going to show you what I think is my favorite sample I've ever made. Why I've waited so long to create this, I do not know, but I can see me using this for every occasion. Let me show you what it is. This one is called Coupon Book Builder. Now check this out. This little guy at the bottom is a coupon that you can stamp and then fill in with all these words and all of these little lines and things. Each of these inside of here are separate stamps and these lines are separate, so you can lay this out whatever way you want. But let me kind of show you what you get. So you get the stamp shape, you get coupon book, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Merry Christmas, birthday, anniversary, just for you, and good for. You also get the word happy, so you can use it with these guys, and you get this to and from that has lines. Now here's the thing, you're probably thinking, I don't know anybody to make a coupon book for. No worries. This is a great tag shape. It's also a great journaling spot if you want to use it for your journals or for your gratitude journal or your Bible journal. All of these words can be used in any way you want. They don't have to be used on this set. So there's good holidays here. Also, this little happy birthday, you can put that on anything, and I think you'll get a lot of use out of this. Now, all of these words here are designed so they will fit in this little slot, or they'll fit here. I'll show you on the sample that I did. A couple little icons. You got a heart, a cupcake, balloons, a tree, and a gift. This one's going to be fun. Now, let me show you my sample. My sample looks like this, and I think it is adorable. This is a little button, one of the Buttons Galore birthday cakes that I just tied with some ribbon, and this book is actually just tied with a couple of holes. And what I did here was my front page is coupon book to and from just for you, and then on the inside I did happy birthday. I did the occasion in here, and then on the back I did a separate stamping on the back. Now I did that on every page so you could write all the way throughout, and I want to show you something else I did. So I use my dial trimmer and I use the perforated blade, and you can see that if you look really close right here that the little perforated blade goes through right here so that the person can just tear one away, tear a coupon away at a time. I love that. Now that's not necessary if you don't have this guy. You can always just give it to them without the perforation, but you can also, if you have a sewing wheel, if you remember those sewing wheels, you can lay that down with a ruler and run it down and get pretty much the same result from that. Now there's one thing I want to mention. I made this guy with 10 coupons in it, and as I was doing it, I got to thinking about something. I made this on my stamp wheel, and what I did was I loaded it in the bottom like so, and I stamped. The first thing I stamped was the coupon itself, okay, and I went through and did that on 10, and then I came back and flipped it over and did it here. But I got to thinking, and I've never encouraged you to do this, and I'm not encouraging you today, I'm just mentioning it. If I had two of the stamp set, I could load one here and do double the work with one stamp. So if you've ever thought about, I want to make a whole bunch of these coupon books, or I'd like to make them gifts, consider that, because it might be a good idea to have a couple, because then you have all the words doubled and all the coupons doubled, and you can really push these out really quick. The other thing is, if you're watching this in July, this is July 4th weekend, and if you're watching it this weekend in 2024, we have a sale in our store for 20% off if you use the coupon code SPARKLE24. We'll put that information in the description so you don't miss it. But you could get your second one or an additional one at 20% off, because your regular code is 15% off, but you could get the additional one at 20% off. And if you don't really want to get this one or pick this one up, check out other things in the store that are on sale. 20% off. How many times can I say 20% off? Anyway, that is our little set. I'm in love with it. I think it is adorable. I love the font so much. I love how big and bold it is. And honestly, I can see me making so much with just this to and from and then this little tag. Wouldn't this be cute also to kind of do the coupon book going in this way? So cute. There's so much we can do. If you would like to see this little book as a tutorial, just tell me in the comments below and I'll make sure to get that done for you. The other thing, tell me what kind of things you would make coupons. I think there's a lot of stuff you could do. What would you put on your coupons if you were given it? Or what occasion can you see yourself using this one for? All right, you guys, thanks so much. Remember, if you use this set and you post a picture of your project to our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com, you can be entered to win a $50 gift card. And you might just be the winner from last month. So you want to check the description of this video to see if it was you who was the lucky winner. Thanks so much for being here. And until next time, bye now.